there are only 10% women at top positions in most companies. And unfortunately, you hear comments like, oh, women are not willing to reach there, women do not even put the efforts, women don't believe in themselves, and so on and so forth. But are the women not really willing or capable? We believe women are fully capable of reaching the top positions in the world. We are putting together an event called Walk to the Board on the 5th of November in Bangalore, where women come together, walk together, showcase to the world that we are ready to reach the top positions in the world. If you are committed to join this extraordinary band of women who are coming together to celebrate their aspirations, invite you to join the Walkathon on the 5th of November in Bangalore.